up, guys? Welcome to another motovlog. It's been a minute since I filmed one of these, but I'm out here in the rain, going through the tunnel of trees. It's nice and wet, which is super lame, but it feels good to be out on the bike. I've been on the bike for like 5 hours, and the conditions haven't been great. You know, I've been cold, been wet, and overall it's been a good trip, I would say. But I stopped, oh, there goes my maps. Shit, this is gonna be complicated. Alright, I gotta open my visor. So I forgot to bring my clear visor, which would be really helpful right now.
No shit.
I can't see shit out of this mirrored visor, so that's fun. This is a good road to not be able to see shit on, you know? Nice curvy road, wet conditions. But yeah, I got the bike in B mode, which is what I usually keep the bike in when I'm driving in rainy conditions. Kind of tames the throttle a little bit, which is nice. And then I got my traction control set to 2, which is pretty much how I always have it. But yeah, hopefully you guys can hear this. I'm not sure how the audio is going to be with my visor open, but hey, that's how we're going to roll. But yeah, the trip up here has been cool. I just stopped in Petoskey for a break. Stopped at Petoskey Brewing, grabbed a beer and a burger, and I figure I better head out. Like I said before, it's been raining on and off all day, so not really great filming conditions, and I kind of wanted to get a motovlog out to you guys. So this is gonna have to do. But yeah, I'm on my way to Mackinac for the weekend. I'm gonna head up to the UP and just kind of explore. The weather for Saturday and Sunday is supposed to be way better, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it today. I got my rain gear on. I'm dry. You know, my rain gear is not, but I am, so that's nice. Bags have got covers on them, so hopefully nothing got wet, but I guess we'll find out when I get to the hotel room. But yeah, so this is going to be like the last big ride of the year for me, probably. You know, we're getting into October. I want to ride into November, but we're gonna have to see what's going on as far as that goes. But then you know, the bike's gonna get put up. I'm gonna throw it on some tire stands and get to work. I plan on doing a couple episodes on the modifications I'll be making to the bike during that time, so that should be pretty cool. But yeah, feels good to get out here. I'm riding solo. My girlfriend took off for the weekend, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna hop on the bike, get one last good ride in, and it's been a lot of fun. Definitely been nice to get on the bike. I've been so busy lately, I feel like I haven't had a ton of time to ride, so to just come out here. So a lot of the roads I've been riding on the way here were also really beautiful. So it's been a good ride. It's been a good little trip. Oh, this is a nice little road. It sucks, it's just wet, man. I don't know about this right now with the shitting and getting on these wet pavement. It's still raining a little bit, so it's kind of a shame, but man, this is a fun little road. Maybe I'll hit it on the way home just to do it one more time. Maybe I will. I think I will, because this is awesome. This would be a lot of fun. I wouldn't fly through here. There's a lot. I mean, there's a car right there. I was just about to say, there's cars coming through. There's like, you know, people live on this road, so I don't want to be a total asshole. But man, it's nice. See Lake Michigan there. Stunning. Very nice. Man, I love Michigan. It's a beautiful state. There's lots of stuff to see and do, especially when you get up further north. Got some better roads, some things to see, which is nice. Alright, we can shit and get a little bit. But, yeah, Michigan in general is beautiful. If you've never been, I highly recommend you visit, especially if you're going to come up towards the northern portion or the upper peninsula, which is also very beautiful. It's nice. It's really nice. It's nice to get away. It's cool that this is so close. I took the long way today, so I could have got to Mackinac in probably like 4 hours, but I wanted to take the long way. I wanted to see the west coast of the state. I was hoping the trees would have a little more color on them, but I think it's a little too early for that. But man, this would probably in like 2 or 3 weeks. This is gonna look beautiful. I wish I could come back in time. I might just have to. I might make this like a little yearly trip. Maybe do that like October. It's not super cold. It's not warm for sure today, but it's not so bad where it would be like a miserable ride. I've been comfortable the whole time, so that's nice. But yeah, before I hopped on this little trip, I did make some modifications to the bike. I added some rubber padded pegs that I found on Amazon. I watched this guy's YouTube video. I'll put it in the description. He put the same pegs on his XSR9, so it bolted right up to the XSR, which is nice. And for like 13 bucks, they're actually really good. When I was riding home from West Virginia to Michigan, I was on the bike for like 8 hours, and I had the stock pegs, and the last 2 hours my feet were like completely numb, but like I felt like I was stepping on like pins and needles. It was very uncomfortable. I haven't felt that way at all today. These pegs are fantastic, and like I said, 13 bucks. If you're gonna be riding the bike a lot, I would just recommend them in general, honestly, for an XSR, since it's a more upright bike. But yeah, those have definitely been nice. I added these foam grip covers. They're nice. I've been noticing lately on some longer rides that my hands have been going numb. So I added these grips to reduce the vibration, and they've been working great. I know my hands haven't been going numb or anything, so definitely a worthwhile upgrade, in my opinion. That's a cool little cottage. Man, it would be so cool to have a place out here. You can just chill, do whatever you want. I can dig that. Maybe someday. But yeah, so those are just some cheap comfort modifications I did to the bike. I didn't bother doing a video on it because it's not really super interesting. And like I said, there's another guy on here that already has video on it, so what's the point? But I definitely like it. Man, this road would be so much more fun if it was a bit more dry conditions. Luckily, it's only sprinkling now, so it's not that bad. But yeah, we're heading up to Mackinac. Gonna stay at Mackinac City for the night, and then I'll stay there as well on Saturday. But Saturday, I'm gonna head up to the UP. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna go. There's a beautiful scenic highway on the coast. I might ride that. There's some other little places I want to check out. I was up north like a couple months back, and while we were there, I was like, man, this is obviously it's great and it's beautiful, but it's like, damn, I wish I had the bike. Could be exploring on the bike, but that'll be cool to check out tomorrow. I might have to St. Ignace. I'm not sure. Oh, that's a cool cabin. I can do it. Oh man, get a cabin up here, get some dirt bikes. That would be badass. So far, this is a cool little ride, man. The road's a bit narrow, but it's not bad, especially since I'm on a bike, so it doesn't kind of matter. Avoid some dirt there before I wreck myself. Man, it feels so good to take a solo trip. I mean, this isn't, obviously, it's not super far from home, 4 or 5 hours, it's nothing crazy, but it's just nice to get out, especially on a bike like this where you can just cruise and have a little bit of aggressive riding too. But anytime you can just get out on the bike feels good. I'm definitely gonna have to come back here in the summertime. Whoa, okay. A little something in the road there. My rear tire was slipping. I am not trying to wreck my beautiful XSR. I love this bike so much, man. This has been an awesome summer. I bought my bike, creepy little graveyard. I bought my bike in I believe March, maybe April, so I haven't even had it really that long, one season pretty much, and I just love this bike, man. This bike has just been so kick-ass. It's powerful, it's comfortable. I'm using the Corbin seat that I reviewed recently. It's been holding up awesome on this trip, and it's been great because I put my gear bag on it, and it's a nice flat surface, so Corbin bag was definitely nice. Oh yeah, now we got some rain going. Yep. After I film this, I'm gonna have to like pull over and situate my GPS situation because I have no idea where I am right now. But hey, That's part of the fun, man. That's part of the fun of just getting out here. I've just been making little stops. Anywhere I see that looks kind of interesting, I just stop, check it out. I'm in no rush. Ugh, man, I completely fucked up not bringing my clear visor. Lesson learned there. Holy shit. That rain feels like pins and needles, man. On my face. Like my cheeks. Feeling not so good. But hey, we're dealing with it. We're gonna make it. Gonna make it to Mackinac City. If you've never been to Mackinac City, so basically that's where you go to park your car, you take the ferry to Mackinac, and so on Mackinac, there's no vehicles allowed, I think with the exception of people that live there, and maybe some other like law enforcement or whatever. But so people travel by horse or bicycle. I've never been there myself, but I've heard good things. Slippery slidey over here. Oh, I wish I could see. That's probably a great view. But I'm just hanging out in the city. I just got a hotel room just to chill. As far as the city itself, there's like not much going on. I mean, if you've been there once, you kind of seen it all. Like, it's a lot of like t-shirt stores your dad would probably like. You can get some taffy, some fudge, just touristy bullshit. If you're a Deftone fan born in February, that's a place to get a shirt. But I'm just there to chill. It's gonna be my little base of operations. Just hanging out. Oh my god. Yeah. Mirror visor, not good for rain. Oh, this is not ideal. So I'm gonna take it a little easy. At least I got my safety glasses on. That's something better than at least my regular glasses. But yeah, so I'm just gonna call this part 1. We're gonna film part 2 tomorrow. Under drier conditions. I just took one right to the tooth. Nice. Better conditions, hopefully, than this rainy ass shit. This isn't fun. Is this fun to watch? I don't even know. I'm not gonna know until I'm sitting here editing it, and then I'll be like, yeah, this isn't great. Maybe it is. I don't know. Just rambling in the woods somewhere. What a vacation. Oh yeah, my cheek pads are nice and moist. All right, we're just gonna have to deal. Yeah, I might just have to come back Sunday, do this again. Alright. Wasn't sure if they were coming out. Gonna whack me. Gonna get got out here. I'm really glad I'm wearing my high-vis stuff today. My rain gear, I'll post a link in the comments, or I'm sorry, in the description. It's pretty decent. It's cheap, but it does the job. I've used it. This is I think the 3rd time I've used it. But it's doing the job. It's keeping me mostly dry. My hands are starting to get a little moist, but I didn't bring like covers or anything, so I'm just gonna have to deal with that. But it's not bad. Man, you don't really get any cover from this rain, even with the trees. Man, it sucks. I wish I kind of had stopped at Petoskey. I would have loved to go through this without the rain, but there is an awesome brewery there. They make delicious beers, so I had to stop and try one straight from the source. No regrets. Some regrets. But we're in it now. This looks slippery. Yeah. I wonder how long this is. Alright, so there's a place called Legs Inn that this guy at the bar in Petoskey said I had to stop at. And I think I'll do that Sunday, then I'll come back here and get the really good footage. Alright, I think that was it. Might be time to stop somewhere real quick. Yeah, fuck this shit, dude. I wish there was a gas station or something nearby. I think I'm gonna call it a day on the recording, guys. This is a little dicey. I gotta focus on the road. Oh, Christ's sakes. I don't even know what the fuck this is.